public bow to faith and voluntarily constructed a bamboo bridge at Kudam Ronghang village. KSA Rongchingrum branch inaugurated free coaching center for classes 1 to 6 at Jordan Langso LP School, Rongnong A on 19th October. Village Water and Sanitation Committee formed at various villages under the aegis of Jal Jeevan Mission on 18th October. Good morning viewers, you are watching KAL Live English Prime Time. On 19th of October, villagers of Kudam Ronghang village under Duar Amla MEC constituency bowed to their faith and voluntarily construct a bamboo bridge to get across the river. The villagers had to voluntarily construct it as there was no any proper and permanent bridge at the area since a long time for the villagers to pass through. The villagers informed that the construction of bamboo bridge over the river had become the part of their annual routine because every year, once the monsoon season begins, the bridge is washed away by the river water. Hence, a new one is mandated to be constructed voluntarily by the villagers. It was also informed that the villagers had appealed the local representative of Duar Amla MEC constituency, Prabhat Chandra Taro, MEC Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to intervene into this matter and construct the bridge for the villagers of Kudam Ronghang village and their adjoining villages. But it went in vain. Therefore, the people of Kudam Ronghang village bow to faith every year turns up voluntarily to construct a temporary bamboo bridge over the river for their convenience.
Chondo Profataro Akai Ali Pans Tamin Tum Tuning Rilo, Abatai Bataya Tuning Ridamo, Sitamina Tuman Ampanang Langle, Lasin non a Fong Abanke, MP election Sia Frank Abanke, Militum Pan, Nangrabason Tela, Bansodolon Kimpi, Asonti.
The villagers appealed the concerned authority of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to provide a proper and permanent bridge prior to the Members of Parliament General Election 2024, for which they would be felt extremely blessed and would also highly appreciate the authority for taking this matter into their account. Wiki-based report from Dongkamukam for KAL Live. On 19th of October, Karbi Students Association Rongchingrum branch inaugurated free coaching center for classes 1 to 6 at Jordan Langso LP School, Rongnong A. With a vision to provide basic quality education to all the children under Rongchingrum area and its adjoining villages, Karbi Students Association Rongchingrum branch under the able leadership of Thangsing Timung, President, inaugurated free coaching center at Jordan Langso LP School, Rongnong A on 19th October. The inaugural ceremony was chaired by Gabriel Teron, President Rongchingrum branch, and was reported that the coaching center was inaugurated by Raju Ingti, Assistant General Secretary of KSA Central Executive Committee. It was informed that as many as 50 children enrolled their names to avail the free coaching classes on the initial day. Raju Ingti, AGS KSA CEC, attended as the chief guest of the event. Nelson Timung, President, Dipu Head Branch, Sunil Ingti, Assistant Social Services Secretary, Dipu Head Branch, Uttam Teron, Sir Alir Terang from Dipu Head Branch, President and Secretary of the School Managing Committee, teachers, parents and guardians of the children and several other important dignitaries from the region attended the event. News Desk report for KAL Live. On 18th of October, Public Health Engineering Department under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, in collaboration with District Water and Sanitation Mission, organized the formation of Village Water and Sanitation Committee at various villages with a vision to provide safe and adequate drinking water through individual household tap connections under the aegis of Jal Jeevan Mission. Jal Jeevan Mission JJM scheme aims to provide safe and adequate drinking water to each and every individual household in India by 2024. Likewise, in Karbi Anglong, PHE department in collaboration with DWSM under the aegis of Jal Jeevan Mission scheme organized a nationwide Gram Sabha on the formation of Village Water and Sanitation Committee VWSC on 18th October. The project has been accomplished at some villages while several others in progress. Girim Bora, SDO, PHED and Jiten Ingti, Assistant, CWC, PHED, JJM, while speaking to us informed that the Committee of Village Water and Sanitation Committee, VWSC, are formed only at those villages where the water tanks are installed to harvest adequate and safe water. And the purpose of the committee is to take charge and monitor the water tank or reservoir. Likewise, recently a village water and sanitation committee, VWSC, was also formed at Rongagora under Diopani constituency.
Our target is 120 household আমি কভার কৰিবলৈ হেৰি কৰিছো টাৰ্গেট ৰাখিছো আমাৰ বৰ্তমান কামখিনি চলি আছে কিন্তু আমি ষ্টেট গভৰ্ণমেণ্টৰ নিৰ্দেশনাত আমি এতিয়া কমিটি ফৰ্মেশনত ফৰ্মেশন কৰিব লগা হৈছে যেহেতু আমাৰ স্কিমটো এতিয়া অনগোইং কমপ্লিট হোৱা নাই
Alice Teronpi, renowned social activist of the region, attended the event to grace the occasion. Subhas Terang's report from Langchiting for Karbi Anglong Live. On 18th of October, around 5:30 p.m. late evening, on a regular exercise for checking of vehicles at Dilai Tri-Junction by the Dilai police, a Hyundai i20 car was intercepted and recovered huge quantity of suspected Yaba tablet drugs from it. It was reported that Dilai police was on their regular exercises for checking the vehicles at Dilai Tri-Junction, where a car bearing registration number AS01AR2221 was intercepted in suspicions of carrying illicit drugs along with them. The car was rigorously checked upon suspicions by the police and recovered huge quantity of drugs from the car. It was later informed that the drug seized is suspected to be Yaba tablets, and if sold out to an open market, its market value is estimated to be approximately 2 crores. According to sources, the car started its journey from Manipur and was heading towards its destined location, Guwahati. 3 drugs peddlers who were caught along with the car and contrabands were taken to custody for further investigation. Bijoy Rongpi's report from Dilai for Karbi Anglong Live. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.